Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are having chemistry on the board. We'll be looking at the concept of isotopes, isobar, isotone, and isoelectronic. Now let's start from isotope. What is isotope? Isotope, these are atoms of the same element having the same atomic number or the same number of proton but different mass number. Examples of isotope, elements that exhibit isotope. One, we have hydrogen, looking at this hydrogen exhibit isotope. Looking at it, they are having the same atomic number and different mass number. The atomic number of hydrogen here is 1, while the mass number of the first element is 3, the second one is 2, while the third one is 1. Isotope now simply means this hydrogen exhibit what? Isotope. We also have other examples like carbon, looking at carbon is also an example of isotope, having an atomic number of 6 and mass number of 12, and the other one is what? 14. This is known as what? Isotope. They are atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. Now let's move to isotope. Let's move to isobar. Isobar now, these are atoms of different elements. This one is not the same element. In isotopes, they are of the same element, but in terms of isobar, they are of different elements. They are atoms of different elements, having different atomic number, but the same mass number. An example of isobar, element that exhibit isobar, have argon and calcium. Argon have an atomic number of 18. The mass number of argon is 40. While that of calcium has an atomic number of 20, then the mass number is 40. This is the atomic number, while this is the mass number. Looking at it now, they are of different elements. Argon and calcium are of different elements, having the same mass number, 40, and the other one is 40, while different atomic number. These are examples of isobar. The third one is isotone. What is isotone? Isotone, these are atoms of different elements with different mass number and that of atomic number, but the same number of neutron. It's very easy to understand what we mean by isotone. Simply means what ended isotone. From that to isotone simply means they are having the same number of neutron, but different element with different mass number and that of different atomic number. You remember also that atomic number is also called number of proton in a neutral element. The third one now is isotone. An examples of this isotone now is potassium and calcium. Looking at potassium, potassium has an atomic number of 19, or the number of proton is 19, while the mass number of 39. Now, looking at calcium, calcium has an atomic number of 20, the mass number is 40. Now, let's calculate the number of neutron. In calculating the number of neutron, neutron is equal to mass number minus number of proton, which is equal to N equal to mass number minus proton. The mass number of potassium is 39 minus proton, which is 19. And 39 minus 19, you have 20. The neutron of this what element is 20. Looking at calcium, calcium now has an atomic number of 20 and mass number of 40. To calculate the number of neutron, mass number minus number of what? Proton. Neutron now is equal to mass number minus proton. The mass number now is 40. The proton number is 20. Then the number of neutron in this element now is 40 minus 20, you have 20. Simply means this element, both the element now, they are having the same number of neutron. That is what isotope. They are having the same number of neutron. Now let's move to the last one, which is isoelectronic. What is an isoelectronic? Isoelectronic, these are atoms of different elements. Atom of different elements having what? Different elements having different mass number and also different what? Atomic number. It can also be an ion, either cation or anion, having what? Different mass number and different what? Atomic what? Number, but the same number of electron. From the word isoelectronic, simply means they are having the same number of what? Electron. Then let's look at examples of iso element that exhibit what? Isoelectronic. An example is neon and magnesium ion. The magnesium ion now is having a positive charge of 2+. Simply means there is a loss of electron. When an element loses electron, it becomes positively charged. But when an element what gains electron, it becomes what? Negatively charged. In this case now, the atomic number of neon is 10, while that of the mass number is 20. The atomic number of magnesium is 12, but the mass number now is 24. Now, looking at this, we have to calculate the number of neutron in neon and also the number of neutron in magnesium. Looking at it now, the electron here, the number of electron here is 10, because in a neutral what element, the number of proton is also equal to the number of electron. But in an ion, either positive ion or what negative ion, the number of proton is not equal to the number of electron, because in ions there must be a loss of electron or gains of what? Electron. Looking at this magnesium now, the electron here now simply means, looking at it, the atomic number is 12. But because magnesium loses what? 2 electron now, the electron now will not become what? 10 too. That is simply means 12 minus what? 2, you are going to have 10 electrons. Looking at isoelectronic, they are both having the same number of electrons. Thank you very much. Now, next episode, we continue from where we stopped.